What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today's video, guys, is really going to be about how do I work with another person. Obviously, Ivan with R5 Auto Detail is here. We're doing a interior detail with a paint enhancement on this vehicle. The total amount on this vehicle today is $600, $300 for the interior, $300 for the exterior. Obviously, with the wheel wells cleaned up nicely. This one's about to be delivered to a customer, so they wanted to make it look good after they worked on it here at this audio shop. So I hope you guys had a great week overall. I'm literally excited because I'm out of my house. I've been working from home literally all month, as you guys know, with the ceramic coating cell I have. So today was actually a mobile job, and you know, it feels good to be outside for a little bit, see the sun. But literally from here, I have to go right back. I already have another truck out there waiting for me to get to. But anyways, stick around and let's get this video started. All right, so first thing first, whenever I have a customer who buys or who purchases a interior detail with a paint enhancement, first thing first is get the exterior ready, right? So I go ahead and do my whole iron decon, strip wash, clay, clean the wheels and everything and everything like that. So first thing first, before I start the interior, is wash the exterior. This way I have it ready for obviously if I have help, then I would have it ready for Ivan. That way when Ivan gets here, he literally gets to start on the exterior without having to help me do anything. Obviously some will say we'll do it together, but no, if I get here first, I want to get that started. That way it kind of eases his job to literally just get to the enhancement, and I'll get right into the interior. Another tip I like to do, guys, is before I even start on the interior, I want to clean the door jambs really well. So you'll see me come with the pressure washer and pressure wash all the door jambs. The hinge is really nice, all the way to the back. The tailgate, I think. No, that's not called the tailgate. That back door, you know what? This one, that one. We'll pull that door up, pressure wash all of that, get all that grime off. This way, I don't like to do it after I detail because then I'm gonna induce water into all the interior. So that just makes it pointless. Now I have to go back and maybe dry everything, extract if I get too much water in there. So I'll do it before I start the detailing. And while Ivan is doing all the exterior of the enhancement, I get right into literally doing the interior. The same process I always do: blow the interior, vacuum it, and then we start cleaning all the plastics, vinyls, leather, and then obviously condition as well. All right, after I finish everything, it's now the extraction time, right? So for me not to be in Ivan's way, I will go ahead and do my pre-spray pretty much on the driver's side, and then because Ivan right now is actually on the passenger side doing the enhancement, so I don't want to slow him down. So I'll start on the driver's side. By the time he finishes the passenger side, I'll be done with the driver's side, and literally I'll just jump over to his side and then do the same process again. So right now I'm gonna pre-spray everything, drill brush, extract, and then I'll go to the passenger side while Ivan is doing the driver's side, and we repeat the same steps. And that just kind of eliminates me having to wait for him and him having to wait for me to finish one area and then continue. Alrighty guys, that concludes today's video guys on this project. Really the main reason of this video was, how do I work with somebody else, right? How do you work in pairs? Honestly, the honest truth I can say when you're working with somebody else is find somebody that can match at least your quality, your work. Ivan has been with me for about, I think like 3 years, maybe 4 years. So during that time, I've been able to, he's been able to kind of learn a little bit on how I do things, how I like things to be done. So if you're ever trying to find somebody to help you on projects like this, you want to have somebody that can match literally your quality and feel confident. Like even when I send Ivan to do some of my customers, I feel 100% confident that the vehicles are going to come out good, customers are not going to complain, and the job's going to get done. So you know, always just find somebody that you can work with almost daily or every other week. That way you guys can work together because eventually the goal is for me to not tell Ivan what to do. Like he should already know what to do, or always be at one step ahead of me, or me be one step ahead of him as well. That way we literally don't run into each other. And it just runs smoothly, right? Like I said, this project usually by myself takes me about 5 hours to do. Today literally took us 3 hours from beginning to end. So I hope today's video kind of helped you guys a little bit on how I do these kinds of projects. As always, I hope you guys have a blessed weekend overall. God bless y'all, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.